Now this is someone worth drawing. Now this is a Xenoverse mod that I would really love drawing. Why am I so amped up? Well, for starters, this guy is actually made of Dragon Ball energy. Interesting, huh? I just found it just now. They, they call this guy a Dragonball Man. That's why tonight we're drawing Dragonball Man. That's what I just told you. Anyway, I just found it out of nowhere. I don't know how this guy... I don't know where this guy came to be, or how Unreal Gaming found this guy. But for unknown reasons, Dragon Ball Man is like... He has a Dragon Ball head, and the rest of his energy is just growing throughout the middle and developed as a body of its own. Dragon Ball Man is basically one of the rarest and one of my now known favorite Xenoverse mod in the entire way. In your face ripoff of Omni King of Saiyans. I prefer the one that is way different. I prefer the updated one better. Dragon Ball Man, if you're capable of granting such a wish, can you do that? Anyway, we'll discuss that later. Anyway, to draw the rest of Omni Dragon Ball Man, well, or should I say the legendary Dragon Ball Man, I do wish that they'd turn this into a real thing. Even though he looks like the dragon god Selema. Well, he kind of reminds me of it, though. This ought to be amazing for the top 5 strongest battle. It might be a powerful ally for Goku and his pals.
And that really hits. This does not appear to be in that category at all, but it is still dangerous, and we are prepared. We have some shelters that have already opened up.
There we are.
And I advise everybody again and you ought to do this all the time. This gives us another opportunity to do it. Get all your papers and holding papers together. If you have to leave the house and can't come back.
This one's gonna be...
Prescriptions, your pets, have a plan for all of that, and understand that you may be trying to get those things together when the power's out and you need to get out of the house. But until you have to get out, stay home. Stay home tonight. Don't go sightseeing to see what's happening. Don't go driving around.
There we are.
Come from that. So,
where's my eraser?
A lot worse than this one appears to be. So we are ready. Your team all across the stage is ready, and we want to.
Here are the feet.
Ready and prepared. Be prepared and get your information from officials.
We are. Just fix that. And done. I think we should draw the stars on his arms here. And done. That is how you draw Dragon Ball Man. This guy is perfect. He's beautiful. He looks like the sun. But I gotta admit, this was a very interesting Fusion Dragon Ball Xenoverse mod that I've worked on. His body's see-through like Alien X.
So without further ado, do, I guess,
It's amazing.
is the legendary Dragon Ball Man. So let's go ahead and pick him. And just for shits and giggles, let's have him fight someone like, I don't know, Divine Super Saiyan 4 Birds of Masu, just to see where we stand in this kind of scenario. And once again, guys,
And
if you guys are
there.
new to this channel, don't forget to punch that subscribe button, guys, and turn on notifications. That way you guys can be notified whenever a Dragon Ball video is posted onto this channel.
I do the
Look at
same
this.
thing.
Oh my
Anyhow,
goodness. Hashtag
that's
notification squad.
that's
Here we go.
all
Alright,
for now,
so
guys.
it looks like Dragon Ball Man isn't really
It's
that
magic.
OP, but I do have to admit, guys,